Hi everyone, Kevin here. Today, I want to show you how you can download YouTube videos onto your laptop, your desktop, your iPhone, or your Android phone. This is by far the easiest way to download YouTube videos. And even better, it's completely legal and it's officially offered by YouTube. So what's the catch? Well, it turns out it costs a little bit of money. And I know it's going to be a pretty big turnoff for a lot of you. But you actually get a substantial amount of value with a premium membership, and we'll walk through what some of that is. And that's why I recently signed up for a premium membership. We'll start by looking at what you get with premium to see if it's even worthwhile. And then we'll look at how you can download videos using it. All right, let's check this out. To get YouTube Premium, head to youtube.com, and over on the left-hand side, click on YouTube Premium. And here you see all the details of the offer. Like I said, you actually get quite a bit of value here. Here, for example, you'll see that you no longer get any ads. So this way, when you click into a YouTube video, it'll just immediately start playing. You no longer get a pre-roll ad. You won't have any ads integrated into the middle of the video. Also, you won't see any display ads on the sides of the video. So you now have an ad-free experience. Now, I watch a lot of YouTube content, and ads were really starting to slow me down. YouTube also offers a large collection of free movies and TV shows, and once you go premium, you can watch all of these different shows and movies entirely without ads. Now, although you're no longer seeing any ads, your favorite creators are still benefiting. As a premium member, when you watch a video, the creator gets a slice of your membership fee. So here, for example, in my analytics, over the last 28 days, I made a little over $500 from premium users watching my videos. So this way you can still incentivize your favorite creators to keep making content. You also get something called background play, and this is especially useful on your phone. Let's say you're listening to music, or maybe you're watching a video, and you want to switch apps, or maybe you just want to turn off your screen altogether. You can do that, and the audio track will continue playing. Next up, you can also download videos for offline access. Here, for example, on desktop, I can click on download, and this now downloads the video. And here I can see all of my downloaded videos. And the same goes on mobile. Here I can also click on download. And then I can look at all of my downloaded content. You just have to make sure that you connect to the internet at least once every 30 days to keep that downloaded content active. So basically, if you're stationed on, I don't know, maybe a nuclear submarine and you go down for more than a month at a time, this might not be the best plan for you. If you're not convinced yet, you also get access to something called YouTube Music Premium. And this is basically YouTube's version of Spotify. You gain access to a massive catalog of music that you can listen to ad-free. You could also download the music so you could listen to it while you're offline. We looked at everything that you get, but how much hard-earned cash do you have to give up? Here, if you sign up for a month-to-month plan, it works out to about $12 per month. You can make it a little bit cheaper if you prepay for the entire year. Here you could pay $120 for the year, and that works out to about $10 per month. Now, of course, if you live in a different market outside of the United States, you'll have to look at what the pricing is there. If you compare this to a service like Spotify, both services have very similar pricing and they both offer unlimited music. But with YouTube Premium, you also get an ad-free YouTube experience, plus you could download videos. If I had a Spotify subscription, I might look at switching over to YouTube Premium. To make it even more affordable, YouTube also offers a family option at $18 per month, and you can share your premium membership with up to 5 other people, so a total of 6 people. And if you end up using all of those slots, it works out to $3 per month per user. That's a pretty good deal. To try YouTube Premium, click on this button that says Try It Free. You'll have to make sure that you're logged into your Google account. And here you'll see all of the details of the trial. They'll start charging you after a 1-month trial. Now, if you want to save some money, click on the X in the top left-hand corner, and here they'll offer you 30% off your first paid month. Just trying to help you save some money. Also, if you do decide to sign up, make sure to sign up through the website. If you sign up on your mobile device, let's say on your iPhone, the price will be higher because the App Store takes its cut of your monthly subscription fee. And you definitely don't want that. Once you finish signing up, you'll see a welcome message. Once you dismiss that, on the main YouTube homepage in the top left-hand corner, you'll see some text indicating that you're now a premium member. Congratulations! To manage your membership, in the top right-hand corner, click on your profile picture, and then you can select Purchases and Memberships. Here you can see YouTube Premium, and if you expand this, you can deactivate your membership if you change your mind or if you don't want to go beyond the trial period. Now that you have YouTube Premium, you can now download videos to your heart's content. Here I am on the YouTube page of one of my favorite YouTubers. He has really solid explanations, and he also happens to be a really handsome guy, although his hair does look like a mad haystack. Let's say that I have a flight coming up and I need some entertainment. I could click on this video that'll teach me how to create org charts. I mean, this is just hypothetical. In real life, I'd probably just watch a movie, but let's just go with it. Here on the video page, you'll notice that there's a new button for download. I can now click on this and this will start to download the video. In the top left-hand corner, I can now click on the hamburger menu, and you'll see that there's now a new button that says downloads. If I click on this, I can now see all of my downloaded content. And if I no longer want this video on my computer, I can click on the ellipsis and then I can delete it. In the top right-hand corner, you can click on download settings and you can decide what resolution you want for all of your downloads. The best resolution they offer is 1080p. And unfortunately, you can't get up to 4K quality. But given that this is primarily for on the go, it's probably sufficient. On mobile too, click into a video that you want to download and then click on the download icon. This will now kick off the download. To view all of your downloaded videos on mobile, in the bottom right-hand corner, click on Libraries. And here you'll see a new library for downloaded content. When you click into that, here you'll see all of your downloads. You can simply click on one of them to start playing them. To remove an item from your list, simply click on the ellipsis and then you can delete. Down below, there's a really neat feature where YouTube will automatically download 20 pieces of recommended content, and it'll refresh this on a weekly basis. This way, when you're on the go, you'll always have some content that you can watch, even when you're offline. Aside from downloading videos, you also get access to YouTube Music. On youtube.com, over on the left-hand side, you can click on YouTube Music, and this will show you the entire ad-free catalog of music. Once again, it's just like Spotify. Also, on mobile, you can download a dedicated app called YouTube Music, and here too you can access the entire catalog of music. And best of all, here too, if let's say you lock your screen or you switch apps, the music will continue playing. Alright, well that's how you can download YouTube videos. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you think about YouTube Premium? Is it worthwhile getting? At least I thought it was, and I'm enjoying it so far. I really like not seeing any ads in videos. To watch more videos like this one, please consider subscribing, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.